2025 Canoo electric vehicle gliding silently down a sunlit road. The camera follows the car from various angles, highlighting its unique design. This is the 2025 Canoo, a vehicle that doesn't just drive, it redefines aspects. From its minimalist, space-inspired exterior to its radical interior layout, Canoo is here to challenge everything you thought you knew about electric vehicles. Let's dive into why this isn't just another EV, it's a statement. Cut to a close-up of the Canoo's front end, showcasing its LED lighting and absence of a traditional grille. No grille, no clutter, just pure, aerodynamic efficiency. The Canoo's design isn't about sticking to the rules, it's about rewriting them. The cab-forward architecture maximizes interior space, giving you a cockpit that feels more like a lounge than a driver's seat. And those wheels, pushed to the very corners for stability and agility, whether you're navigating tight city streets or cruising on the highway. Transition to the interior. Wide shot of the open cabin with a steering wheel that folds away when in autonomous mode. Step inside, and the future gets even brighter. The steering wheel retracts when you switch to autonomous driving, turning the cabin into a movable living space. The panoramic glass roof floods the interior with natural light, while the modular dashboard can be customized with accessories like a coffee maker, tablet holder, or even a mini fridge. This isn't just a car, it's your third space. Cut to the Canoo parked at a charging station, then a time-lapse of it charging to 80% in under 20 minutes. Underneath that bold exterior lies a skateboard platform packed with cutting-edge tech. The 2025 Canoo boasts over 300 miles of range, ultra-fast charging, and dual-motor all-wheel drive for those who crave adventure. But it's not just about power, sustainability is core. Recycled materials are everywhere, from the seats to the floor mats, and the battery is designed for second life reuse. Switch to a family loading gear into the Canoo's customizable trunk, followed by a drone shot of the vehicle on a forest trail. Practicality meets innovation here. The rear hatch opens wide to reveal a trunk that's endlessly configurable. Fold the seats, slide them, or remove them entirely. Camping gear, bikes, or even a weekend's worth of vintage market finds, the Canoo adapts to your life. And with rugged optional upgrades like all-terrain tires and reinforced underbody plating, this EV isn't afraid to leave the pavement behind. Final scene. The Canoo merges onto a highway at sunset, its silhouette blending with the horizon. Text appears. The future is flexible. The future is Canoo. Love it or question it, the 2025 Canoo refuses to be ignored. It's a reminder that cars aren't just tools, they're extensions of our lives, our values, and our curiosity about what's next. Closing shot. The Car Culture State logo fades in subtly alongside the Canoo driving into the distance. Thanks for riding with us at Car Culture State. Stay curious, stay inspired, and keep imagining where the road, or lack thereof, might take you.